going to be taking a look at is going to be stock ticker symbol FLSR. This one was picked by Big Tuna at 006, and he was already screaming ahead at 0083. So 29% up out of the gate from Big Tuna. Great job. I believe we went over this one on, yeah, Big Tuna. We went over this one on the 30th on the stream. And I wrote on here at 0048, it was on watch by Big Tuna, and I wrote on here I thought it was going to start going up. So that was over here on this one. On right here. Let me go ahead and circle that for everybody that's watching this so you can see the 30th. So right here is when we talked about it, and we said that we thought it was going to start going up. And we see what happened here. Keep an eye on it. I mean, Big Tuna is really good at charts. I can say that for a certain. Me and Joe can definitely agree on that. He's really good at what he does, and I know that he put together a good post on this one too. So you've got quite a bit of green days too, and that's something that me personally that starts worrying, because when you get up here, you might have another day or two. It might start correcting itself and pull back a little bit. So watching this Bollinger Band, if you're going to start sticking up there, I can kind of maybe go right there. Might start pulling back in a little bit. So maybe tomorrow or the following day, you might see a minor pullback into that Bollinger Band. But either way, if it pulled back tomorrow or Wednesday, he's still going to be up quite a bit. So congratulations on that one. And Big Tuna, again, I mean, Joe, you pulled this one up already, so you don't really need to do that. I know that you went through it quite a bit.
Yeah,
so.
These are the guys that make the spittoons.
Okay.
Yeah, remember the spittoons? We went and looked, and they're sold on Amazon.
Yes.
We found them on Amazon. Yeah.
So you can see right here, Big Tuna on the homepage of Investors Hangout. You see this right here, top 10 most viewed posts. This is for today, right here. We can actually click on it and see. So his FLSR post today at 11:15 a.m. Eastern has already got 243 views. So go ahead and give that post right there a thumbs up. You go down there and hit that thumbs up button, and he'll be notified that you gave him a thumbs up. So right here, yeah, he put another post on here. He can link back to the previous post. Just taking good credit for it, well deserved. So I'll read through this real quick, Joe, because like I said, we already went through the company. So you can link back to it for the chart and the technicals as they looked last week. We entered at 0025 and higher. So he's in there at 0025 and higher. The 007, which I mentioned in the post as a previous high and the initial target, was hit intraday on Friday. It closed at 0064, and as the old saying goes, volume before movement. The 10.5 million volume spike on Tuesday morning set off the few alerts. Although a bit overbought in the short term, I'm hoping we'll see continued appreciation after the close above 007 and into a 015. So he seems to believe that this is going to go well over a penny, especially if on volume. Should the 015 be reached within 1 to 2 weeks, that would bring into play a possible move to the next resistance level of 04 to 05 level. So, I mean, this one right here, FLSR, he's great job. Big Tuna, hats off as always. This guy, along with quite a few members, Fitz Cars, Sheepwolf, Big Tuna. There, I mean, I can really go through a list of members that do an amazing job. So I'm going to put this in the chat real quick here. FLSR post.
I think it's funny. Big Tuna always comes up with these like companies that are like in a certain niche. Yeah, like this one right here is it has something to do with spittoons. You know what I mean? That other
Yeah.
one that the other one that he does, it has something to do with like they're making certain medications for like veterinarians
Yeah.
that are like specialty.
Yeah, but
So, I mean, I can't imagine these guys having too much competition. I mean, I don't know how many people are. I don't know what the market is for like chewing tobacco and stuff like that. I know I tried it as a kid when I had a few drinks, and it was definitely a bad move.
Oh,
Especially for the
no.
kid sitting in front of me.
Oh, no, try and chew
Yeah,
when you're drinking. Yeah, that's a
yeah,
great
yeah,
job. Yeah.
yeah. It
You,
wasn't good.
yeah. So that is going to be for stock ticker FLSR. And you know what? Not to I did go into this during this video. So if you're researching FLSR, you're going to learn a little bit about whatever.
Yeah,
But like,
yeah. I was in high school.
okay,
You know.
this is going to be on the same level. It's trying chew while drunk or drinking, right?
Yeah.
I'll never forget. I was, I had to have been 21, I would say. And we were having a party, all drinking, right? And, I'm beer bonging like crazy, right? Of course. I mean, that was a big thing. And we were all beer bonging, rocking, having a good time, blasting music. And I was like, all right, I grabbed my Bud Lights, I put them up there on the table. It's my turn. So my buddy holds up the funnel, and then the other one starts pouring Bud Light in there, right? So he starts pouring Bud Light in there. I don't even think I've told you this about Joe, but he
Mm.
starts pouring Bud Light in there, and my buddy, he's a real smart ass. He's funny though. He comes up behind, and I didn't know he was standing there, and started dumping Guinness into it.
Oh, that's rough. Oh no,
Oh,
I like Guinness. So Guinness is good. The only problem with Guinness, I can only have a few because they're kind of thick.
you know what? You come back to me after you try to beer bong Guinness.
Mm.
And do it
Yeah.
unexpected. So,
Yeah.
hey, we
Hey,
know.
you know what? Speaking of beer bongs, right? Or even like what's the other game there? Remember the ticker that we looked up months ago?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
Pong.
they
Oh
were
yeah,
introducing what was the name of that? I
beer
wonder how
pong.
they're doing right now.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
I
was
don't
beer
remember.
pong.
Hmm.
If anybody knows, man, give us the link or what the company is.
Yeah, I don't remember what.
Beer
I know what
pong.
you're talking about though.
Yeah, it was a few months back, like maybe in September, October, and they literally just came out with it. It was like a specialty cup that would like kind of make it a little cleaner.
Right. So that's it for this one. FLSR, and you had a little bit of enjoyment here watching your stock video. So, all right, good job, Big Tuna, and good luck because it's really looking good for you.